Me and my fanny chilling. Got my F1 hoodie on. We looking good. We ready to ride. Listen to this little start up here. After I open this up because I need to breathe. All right. Can't see nothing out of this visor. People, do me a favor and don't ride with a tinted visor at night. It's definitely not the logical thing to do, but if you trust your riding skills, you can go for it and enjoy. It's nice though because like once you actually start moving, it unfogs up, but when you're sitting it just fogs up because your breath. Not the best and most comfortable thing, but